was so fun. I just was at the ceramic studio for a couple of hours. I got some of the pieces that I made before I left. Let me show them to you. And then I glazed a bunch, which I can't wait to get them and pick them up because those are the ones I'm most excited about. I have a really big theme right now. I'm like obsessed with pink and red. I just can't get over it. This one was just kind of something we were playing around with because made these like tubes in the extruder, and I just saw lips, and this could be a little cigarette holder. Don't smoke, kids, but that's what I saw. So that's kind of cute. It doesn't, I should have made it so it sits up a little easier, but whatever, just cute. But that was kind of just playing around. I made this little salt dish or like catch-all dish. This is so fun. Hi. This with like a little yogurt in it is so precious. I'm obsessed with this one, which also was me kind of just practicing layering and like painting on glazes, but I think it came out really cute and it's like good notes for the future on like how certain glazes look, because I'm definitely most drawn to like kind of a lot of colors, messy glazes. And then this last one, I made a little candle holder. This, all intents and purposes, is a joke. It holds two little candles next to each other and it has a bunch of hearts around it. If you know, you know. It's just for cutesies. Yeah, but I thought this one came out really cute. I did underglaze for the first time on this one and then did a clear glaze on top. Tomorrow I get to pick up the bigger bowls I have been working on that were like my biggest focus. And then I made a bunch of little ceramic, wine glasses, like stemmed wine glasses. Also got a big restock of groceries so I can cook at home. Can't wait. Towel. If you don't know this was a trick my friend just taught me that I wasn't doing, and it makes your dill last so long. Paper towel for moisture, and then you put in a bag for air, and literally lasts for like weeks sometimes. Went in on the fruit and veg. All I want to eat: lettuce, cucumbers, beans, snap peas, onions, lentils, cottage cheese. Pasta, you need eggs, butter, turmeric. I've wanted to try these for so long and they were on sale, so I got this pink peppercorn honey yuzu from Acid League. And also I saw this and I feel really excited about this. I'm hopeful. I hope it's good. It's a pho broth concentrate, so it's like a pho starter, which I'm so here for. I hope that this is really good. I will let you know. Maybe I'll make dinner with this. Still getting into the swing of things. I did take a nap today. I was tired. And now I'm kind of putting together dinner. I'm really wanting to have girl dinner. What am I gonna make? It's gonna be a bunch of random shit. If I have a smaller... Why do I have so many cannellini beans and not garbanzo beans? The lighting here is so bad. In a turn of events, I'm running to go look at an apartment for a friend of mine that is trying to move to LA. She lives in New York and I live nearby, so I said I would. So then I just decided that I'm gonna go camping with Scarlett and Cassidy tomorrow. So we're gonna go to a camping spot that we went to last year and it was really fun. So I think that will be just like a fun trip. It's a little overwhelming because I did just get back 2 days ago. But I think being in nature always makes me feel better. So I think it'll be good. So I'm gonna have to pack for that later, and I'm finishing editing a different video and making dinner, whatever. Thank you so much. Thanks, guys. He knows who feeds him. Yeah. Oh I was just gonna ask if you were allergic because I've considered a hairless cat so many times.
Yeah, but you do have to test yourself because there's saliva allergy and dandruff.
Right, I was gonna say, there's the saliva. Oh, no.
You will give me a screenshot for it, so if you want to.
Oh. This is big. Super big. Bathroom is super cute. Hi. Bedroom. Okay, just finishing up putting my bag together. Scarlett and Cassidy did a lot of work for this trip and I did nothing. So I am being their passenger princess right now. Truly, they put it all together. I wish I had a bag for these. I will come back to you like that. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna bring this. I kind of overwear this, but I love it. But it is all over my Instagram. But I shouldn't decide based on that. But I'm like, I just feel like I'm always wearing this hat. So maybe I'll wear this hat because I never wear this hat. I am trying to wear my clothes more often. That I don't wear as much instead of just like fixating on one thing and then never wearing anything else. Okay. I'm good. Don't worry about me. Coffee girl.
Coffee girl.
Thank you. Just one day. Just one day.
Baby, why you leaving me? Baby, what you dumping me for? Is it because of him? Is it because of me? Won't you tell me, baby? Don't leave me alone. Maybe, won't you come on home now? I'll prove I'm right. Till the morning light. When you gonna come back? My heart is just same old story. But you and me, baby, it could have been so right. Baby, why you leaving me? Baby, what you dumping me for? Is it because of him? Is it because of me?
Okay, we're putting on the propane. We plugged it right in. So easy. Got fire.
When you gonna come back? When you gonna come back? My heart just moved back. Hate to be turned down. Same old story.
Day's work. Bringing home the bacon. I didn't mean to put it over my shoulder, but it kind of swung that way. And then I didn't want it to get in the river to get wet. Oh, shit.
Whoa.
No, don't go in there. This is good though.
Think of an apple pie.
Yeah.
It looks like it's so cold out here for some reason. Bye, campsite. We loved you. Bye, river. We loved you. Not goodbye to Scarlett. Never.
It's just hard because it's covered in mud. It's not your problem.
I literally am like. Oh my god, thank you. So much. Oh, it's coming up to you. Oh my gosh.
Hi guys.
They're so pretty. Oh my god.
Hi guys.
I'm back from camping. I've been back for like a day or two actually. But thought I'd finish up this vlog. I'm gonna go on a walk. I literally have anger issues. I'm a little irritable this morning and they've just been doing random lawn work that really inconsistent banging, but just like super loud, annoying banging, and I just like feel like I'm gonna lose my mind. And now I'm tired and I'm cranky. Also, I'm weaning off of my antidepressants. I thought I would update you all on this because I think it would be helpful for anyone out there. I am not going to be fully off of medication, but I'm just weaning off one of them, which is Zoloft, sertraline. Obviously, this is not medical advice, and you should always, literally always, especially with antidepressants, never quit without being supervised by a psychiatrist. Seriously. But this is a decision I made that I've been wanting to do for a while, and it's just feeling like the right time. Kind of committing the next like 2 months to potentially just being a little unhinged. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, but I wanted to update you all because there's really just like not that much info out there. I know that I've been so afraid to like go lower on my dosage or just like go off in general because of withdrawal effects. Yeah, and obviously there's nothing, I'm sharing this because there's nothing wrong with being on antidepressants. I think listening to your body and like where you're at and what you need for yourself is the most important thing. And they definitely saved my life at a point in time, for sure, and made it so I could function. So forever grateful for that. Truly did change my life. But yeah, I feel like I'll keep you all updated on this process. Currently, I'm down to 25 milligrams. And then I'll be at this for 2 weeks. Then I'm gonna be half of that, which I'm doing it really slow, like as slow as I can, because I have experienced a really crazy withdrawal in the past from a medication that a random doctor put me on. Was truly such a sus situation, which I'm like, maybe I'll share in a later video. Maybe I'll share that in a podcast episode because it's kind of long. Yeah, I'm feeling a little spacey, a little like, just not like great. It's all gonna be okay, and it's just a process, and I think it will be good for me. Okay, I'm gonna go on a walk.